in KVAFS Akula. Today I am going to talk about my favorite pet animal, meow, meow. Can you guess it? It is a cat. Cat is a domestic animal. It looks very nice and beautiful. It has two bright eyes, 2 ears and a bushy tail. It is found almost in every house. It is generally brown, white and black in color. Warm places for sleeping. Baby cat is called kitten and group of kittens are called a litter of kittens. It can see in the dark. I would like to have a cat as a pet. Thank you.